caught on camera. They target cars in the middle of the night for solely one thing.
Beach, California. The man walks up to the car and using a small box, opens it.
The thieves are taking your pickup tailgate and they're going to sell it for cash.
Okay, we got a Nissan Rogue. We went ahead and added the shock sensor to the factory alarm. I'm gonna go hit lock, locks the doors. Basically, you gotta, on these factory alarms, they have a delay. You have to wait for that little lock right in the corner to start flashing. It's solid red. Once it starts flashing, that means the factory alarm is enabled. So basically, yeah, these cars come with the factory alarm, but they don't come with any type of impact sensor. You can destroy this whole car from with a baseball bat and nothing happens. So by adding the shock sensor, if anybody tries to bust out the keyhole or break a window or bust out these lug nut locks to take out the tires, the alarm will fire off. Right now, the alarm, it is in the active mode. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the window, on the tire. The alarm fire off. I'm gonna go ahead and arm it, give it a few seconds, and then we're gonna bang on the glass. Yeah, this is a great add-on to these vehicles. Maxima, Altima, Rove, the whole Nissan line. It's pretty much what they go for is some rims and airbags, rims and tires and airbags. I think everybody on this planet knows that by now. So yeah, and he went ahead and also added a GPS tracking device. So if anybody tries to steal this car, he's able to track it from his phone as well. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the keyhole. This concludes the shock sensor video. We do have mobile service. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814.